Thank you for tuning in to NewsLink Weather. I'm your weather forecaster Segbor for evening forecast here Friday. Right now, looking at some showers and some drizzle moving through our air right now, and unfortunately, this has been the theme for the last few days of rain, showers, even some thunderstorms at times for our area. And even looking at the wide view right now, looking at this has been quite expansive for much of the area too. We're looking at some storms also down to our south from Memphis. But for us, we're looking at this next batch of rain that's getting ready to move into Indiana later on this evening. So we should bring in potential for some heavy rain and possibly some flooding too. And speaking of flooding, we also have a flood watch in place for much of our region too. Even though it's being covered up by this wind advisory that's also currently in our ear for tomorrow, this flood watch is also impacting Muncie, Indianapolis, and counties within this area, meaning that we have the potential for seeing rainfall amounts between 1 to 3 inches of rain by tomorrow morning, meaning that we can have some areas that can be flooded with the heavy rain that does move in later on this evening. And also, you may have some isolated areas in some portions of the region that could see some pockets of some flooded out roads. So if you're heading out tonight, make sure you're aware of that as you do head out for evening commute. And looking at the temperatures right now, it is quite chilly outside right now. Temperatures around 43 degrees here in Indianapolis, 41 degrees here in Muncie, and 49 degrees down here in Bloomington, which is a warm spot right now. And that will be moving our way. I expect some mild air to move in later this evening. Although for tonight, we're expecting temperatures to drop down to a low of 42 degrees, which actually occurred earlier this evening. Temperatures only dropped down to 42 before that warm front does move back in, which will raise those temperatures up to around the mid-50s by later on this evening, which will make it for a mild commute, although it won't feel that way with the rain, as we're expecting rain likely tonight, some thunder possible as well, and rain, again, that rain chance being likely, with winds coming out of the east from 15 to 20 miles per hour. And looking at your day tomorrow, will be a wet start to a cold finish, as we begin the day out with some rain showers, and then by the time you get to 5 o'clock, look at that, temperatures are only at 38 degrees, with winds also being gusty throughout the day, which will be the theme for your day on Saturday. Cold, windy, quite gusty outside. And as you check out those rain chances for you, starting with tonight, we're expecting those rain chances to move back in by later this evening. Rain becoming likely tonight with some pockets of heavy rain, indicating these oranges and reds, indicating where we can see some thunder as well. And also where we can still see some pockets of some flooding too, as unfortunately with heavy rain will be falling fast. That could lead to some pockets of some flooding in our pushes our area. And then by trying to get to tomorrow morning, we see those showers come to an end, although we'll see some more showers with the move in by later morning. As the backside system will be moving in, which will bring some additional rain showers, maybe some snow showers for portions of northwest Indiana, as with that cold air moving in fast, that rain could change over to snow by the time we get to later on tomorrow evening. But then by Saturday night to Sunday, you're expecting those clouds to clear out, which means for lots of sunshine for your day on Sunday, looking at a beautiful day as you're heading out for your day on Sunday. It will be mild still too as well. But by the time we get to Monday, those rain changes will be back once again. And looking at your 7-day forecast for you, looking at mild temperatures for both Saturday and Sunday, and seeing colder weather move back in from Monday and Tuesday as the never front moves through. And then by the time we get to the end of next week, we're expecting another round of some showers as milder weather moves back in by Friday, with temperatures around 63 degrees to close up the month of March, and which is pretty good for this time of year. Thank you for watching NewsLink, and for to follow us at NLIweather.com, and this is Segbor signing off.